Hi, this is Bonnie, Communications Director for MarineMax Sailandski, and I am stoked to announce that the 12th annual Barrel Boss Wakesurf competition is back in 2020 with a few changes. Just like everyone and everything else, we've had to adapt. So we're asking you to submit your best 1 minute of continuous, unedited writing, and it will be judged by a group of Nautique Team writers. Now we have all of the divisions that you've come to know and love, plus some new ones and some old ones that we're bringing back. So we encourage you to submit and enter as many divisions as you qualify for. Now remember, you will have to submit a different 1 minute video for each division. You must also be wearing a Coast Guard approved life jacket, and the perspective of the video must be from inside the boat. If we can't see you, we can't judge you. Don't worry about the quality of the video. We're not going to be worried about it. So film it with your phone, film it with your GoPro. If you've got a great camera, awesome. Just do your best writing and get it in by October 31st. We will be announcing the winners on November 7th via social media, email, and our website. So we are very excited to see what everyone has to come up with, and stay tuned to our website, to social media, and sign up for our emails to keep getting updates about Barrel Boss in 2020. As always, this is Bonnie, and I will see you at the lake.